itself is nothing but Jagat. Appears as Jagat means you have to take other way. Jagat is nothing but Brahma, in the sense Jagat has no existence apart from Brahma. For which was shown Sad Brahma Karyam Sakalam Sadeva Sada Eva. Entire Jagat is Sat Brahma Karya. This was based on Chandogya Upanishad. Chandogya says Sadeva Some Idamagra Asit. This Jagat before the creation was Sat only, now also it is Sat. Same thing is corroborated by quoting Mundakopanishad. Mundakopanishad, that is to show all different Upanishads speak of one and the same truth. The truth is Brahma alone appears as Jagat. We are saying Idam Vishwam Brahma Eva. This entire Jagat, Vishwam, Vividha Pratyaya Brahmam, the Jagat of manifold experiences. Idam Vishwam Brahma Eva iti, Brahma Eva iti eva, iti eva, Atharvanishta Varishta Shrauti Vrani Vani Brute. Shrauti Vani Brute. Vani means here statement. Vani means speech. Vani means speech. So here statement. Which statement? Shrauti statement. Shruti statement. Which Shruti statement? Atharvanishta. Atharvanishta means the Upanishad belonging to Atharva Veda. Nishtha in the sense conclusion of Atharvanishta, Atharva Veda, that is in the Mundaka Upanishad. Atharvanishta refers to Mundaka Upanishad, and it is described as Varishtha. Varishtha means the most exalted. Varishtha is the most exalted in the sense the Mundaka Shruti, which speaks of the most exalted truth. That is what is called Munda Atharvanishta Varishta Shrauti Vravani. Statement of Shruti, that is Mundaka, Brute declares what? Brahma eva idam Vishwam. Entire Jagat is nothing but Brahma only. And therefore it says, Tasmat etat Brahmama etat Vishwam hi Brahma matra. Because of this, Jagat is nothing but Brahma only. Why? This is the reason. Say, Brahma Aropitasya adhisthana bhinnata na. Aropitasya, of anything that is superimposed, adhisthana bhinnata na. There is no distinction, there is no difference between the aropita and adhisthana, in the sense whatever that is superimposed is nothing but adhisthana. Keep our Rajju Sarpa example very faithful. Snake is nothing but rope. Rope may not be snake, but snake is nothing but rope. So therefore, aropitasya, of whatever that is superimposed, vinnata, different status, different existence and adhisthana is not there at all. Then let us see, what is that Atharva Shruti? It's like that. Mundakopanishad, second section, 11th mantra. Brahma eva idam amrutam. Idam Jagat is nothing but Brahma. What Brahma? Amrutam, immortal, indivisible. And where is that Brahma? Purastad Brahma. In front of you Brahma, you may say. In front of Tom, Dick, Harry sitting, where is Brahma? In front is Brahma. Paschat Brahma. Behind is Brahma. Dakshinataha Brahma, on the right Brahma, Uttarena cha Uttarena, on the left also is Dakshina, always means right. Uttara is now primary school direction teaching. Face the east, then on right is the south, on left is the north, back is west. That's what it is. Says Dakshinascha Uttarena Adhascha below you. Don't say carpet or chair. Below is what? Brahma. Adhascha Urdhvamcha. Above, don't say Akasha. Brahma only. Brahma e prasritam vyaptam vyaptam. Brahma eva idam vishwam varishtam. That most extraordinary Brahma itself is everything. So that's why what is told in Chandogya is corroborated by Mundaka. Other also Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Tasmadva Tasmad Jagat is gone. All this speak of that. So this is why, because otherwise there may be a stray statement in some Upanishad and it may not be that good. No. Brahma Sutra Gati Samanya. Gati Samanya means Avagati Samanya. Knowledge is one and the same, declared in and through different Upanishads. Samadvaya, one and the same Saptarya is there in all the Upanishads. From that standpoint, we corroborate the author quoted Mundaka Upanishad also. Now, based on reasoning also, we can verify that Jagat is nothing but Brahma. How will you prove? You know, in high school geometry, certain theorems cannot be directly proved. You assume opposite to that and prove that your assumption is wrong, what is called as reductio ad absurdum method. The theorem is that has to be proved. What do? You assume something contrary to the theorem and then prove that what your assumption is wrong, therefore the theorem holds good. Now, what is told? Everything is Brahma only. Now let us say, suppose everything is not Brahma. If everything is not Brahma, what all things are going to happen? So that is there. And none of these are desirable things. Therefore everything must be necessarily Brahma and Brahma only. So that is it.
Satyam yadisya jagade sadatmana Anantatvanirnigama pramanata Asatyavaditvam apichitusya Naitattrayam sadhuvitam mahatmana Anvaya Yadi एतद् जगत् सत्यं स्यात् आत्मनः अनन्तत्वहानिः निगमाप्रमाणतः ईशितुः अपि असत्यवादित्वं स्यात् महात्मनाम् एतत्त्रयं साधु इदं न Again, यदि एतत् जगत् सत्यं स्यात् आत्मनः अनन्तत्वहानिः निगमाप्रमाणतः ईशितुः अपि असत्यवादित्वं स्यात् महात्मनाम् एतत्त्रयं साधुहितं न.
So far it was proved Jagat has no existence apart from Brahma. If Jagat is Brahma, Can Jagat be Satya or Mithya? See, Jagat is not different from Brahma. And what is Brahma? Satyam, Anantam, Aparichinna. What does it mean, Ananta Satya means? There is nothing other than Brahma. Ananta means what? Advaya. Advaya, Ananta means what? There is nothing other than Brahma. And but experientially, Jagat is there or not? You can't brush aside the Jagat. Why you can't brush aside Jagat? You are moment by moment, you are experiencing. Now how many things we have got now? Brahma and Jagat. Now the question is, this experience-wise available Jagat is Satya or false? Shruti says, Brahma, Jagat is nothing but Brahma. This statement of Shruti can hold good only if Brahma is Satyam, Jagat is Mithya. Now suppose Brahma is Satyam and Jagat also, Brahma is Satyam, who says? Shruti says. Now Jagat also is Satya, that is our assumption. Jagat is also Satya, then what will happen? What do you mean by Satya Jagat? Really existing. Really existing is what? Never destructible, ever existent. If Brahma is Satya, ever existent principle, and Jagat also is Satya, ever existent principle, there are two Satya, one will limit the other, both are at loggerheads, one will destroy the other. Anything that is Parichinna is subject to destruction. So now, who told you that Brahma is Anantam and Satyam Sat? Shruti. And if you assume that Jagat is Satyam, then Brahma is going to get Parichinna, and because Parichinna is not going to get subject to destruction, who is going to be wrong now? Can Shruti be wrong? This is you Vedantis first tell Shruti. First, Shruti can't go wrong, and then afterwards, no. He says, Yadi etat Jagat Satyam Sya. If this Jagat is Satyam, what does it mean? Brahma is there, Jagat also is there. You know what happens? Atmanaha anantatva hanihi. Satyam Dhyanam Anantam Brahma. Atma is Ananta. It's Hani because Atma is there, Jagat also is there. Jagat is limiting the Atma, that Atma will not be Ananta. So that means, then what will happen? No. Let it be so. What is wrong if Atma becomes Ananta, Ansanta, Ananta Hani? Nigama Pramanata. Vedas, Upanishads will lose the status of being Pramana. Because the Satyam Jnanam Ananta Brahma Shruti Pramana. So if Jagat is something is actually existing and limiting the Atma Brahma, then what will happen? Anantatva Hani, that is the non-dual nature, limitlessness of the Atma will get affected, and thereby what will happen? You can't say let it be so. Nigamasya apramanata. Nigamasya means Upanishadaha, Vedantasya, Shastrasya, apramanata. Status of losing the pramana will come. There will no more be pramana. Okay, why you are insisting this much that Vedas should have pramana? Do you know who has given Veda? Ishvara. Then Ishvara will be the one who speaks wrong thing, false thing. Say, no, it can't be. Asatyavadit Ishituhu api asatyavaditvam sya. Ishituhu. Ishvara will be the one who speaks something that is false. Let it be. Why you are siding with Ishvara? And the Kali Yuga, he also must have become very old. So he has become very old. So why are they say all these three are not good for a sadhu? Sadhu means what? Mahatmana. Those who have discovered the Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa, none of these can go well with them. He says, Mahatmana means one whose Atma Antakarana is Mahan, because it has appreciated the Mahan, Brahma, Atma, Vastu. So Mahatmana. Etatrayam sadhu hitam na. Etatrayam sadhu hitam na. These three, what are those three? Brahmanaha anantatvahanihi, Atmanaha anantatvahani, Nigamasya apramanata, Ishituhu, what is that? Asatya vaditva. Do you know why? All Mahatmas will turn out to be fools. Why? They have such Shraddha in Vedas because it is Ishvara Vachana. Based on that, they discovered the Atma Sarupa, which is Ananta, and it is Santa. The moksha that they claim that they have got means these people don't have viveka. They believe something which is not correct at all, which cannot be so. Do you know why? All cannot be bluffed at all the time. They say one can be bluffed for some time. One can be bluffed for all the time. Many can be bluffed for some time, but all cannot be bluffed at all the time. See, Vivek take the beginning. Yenaiva yataha yatayosya param tameva margam tava nirdeshami. I am going to show you the path which has been trodden by many masters of the path. Means they have verified the truth. Do you mean to say, here Mahatmana, do you know who are these Mahatmana? Vyasa, Shuka, not ordinary one. Your father told, he didn't believe. So afterwards, Janaka Raja's confirmation was necessary. So therefore, it is not so. Mahatma, they can't be so fools, so that is not possible. So therefore, see, Brahma cannot be, Jagat cannot be Satya. It appears like your dream, it is false in nature. Satya is Brahma. A false Jagat cannot limit Satya Brahma. Just as the false snake cannot limit the Satya Rajju. Now one may say, look, you are telling us that Veda is what? What is that? Ishituhu asatyavaditva means Vedas are Ishvara Vachana. Who told you? Vedas are. Ishvara cannot go wrong, accepted. But Vedas are not Ishvara Vachana. Do you know why? Some mantra drashta rishis got them. It is something rishis brainwave. So they must under the pretext of meditation, they must be sitting with the eyes closed, and then they must be seeing something there, etc. And they must have told that it is all revelation, etc. And you are taking as Ishvara Vachana. How is it possible? Pura Paksha. Don't take it as real. Pura Paksha. How can you take it as real? So look, direct Ishvara Vachana can be told. No doubt, Vedas are Ishvara Vachana, because along with the Srishti, the Vedas are given. Who created Srishti? Ishvara. So therefore this manual of Veda is given by Ishvara. Besides that, we have got clear-cut evidence wherein Ishvara, Avatara, none other than Lord Krishna has said that entire Jagat is within me. I am not in Jagat, Jagat is not in me. These three statements prove that Jagat is false, Brahma is Satya. So that's the Prapancha Mithyatva can be verified from Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna's statement. And also, you can't say that, Vedas are given by Mantra Drashta. It is not Ishvara Vachana. You can't say Ishvara Vachana is the same as the Veda.
Ishvaro vastu tattvajñah nachaham deshvavastitah nachamasthani bhutani devameva vyachiklupat
Nachamatsani bhutani evameva vyachiklupat. It is
अन्वय वस्तु तत्वज्ञः ईश्वरः अहं तेषु न च अवस्थितः भूतानि मत्स्थानि न च इति एवं एव व्यचीकृत. Again, वस्तु तत्वज्ञः ईश्वरः अहं तेषु न च अवस्थितः भूतानि मत्स्थानि न च इति एवं एव व्यचीकृत.
First, let us see what Lord Krishna has told. First he said, Matsthani sarva bhutani nachaham teshu avasita nacha matsthani bhutani. Three statements he has made. First he says, Matsthani sarva bhutani, all beings and objects abide in me, in Parameshwara. All bhutani means what? Jagat. Entire Jagat abides in me in the sense Jagat has no existence apart from me. Accepted? Then, Nachaham teshu avastitaha, I don't abide in them, means Jagat abides in me, Jagat depends on me, I am independent of the Jagat. Really speaking, Nacha matsthani bhutani. Jagat is not in me at all. This can be clear if we take our example of Rajju circle. Mr. Rajju says, snake is in me. I am not in snake. Understood? Snake is in me because without me the rope snake can't exist. But I am not dependent on snake. I am not in them. Really speaking, snake is not in me at all. When snake was that in me? Only this is a statement from the standpoint of a aviveki who has not seen the truth. Keep this always in mind. Snake is in me, rope. Me, rope is not in the snake. Snake is not in me, the rope. People who are not able to understand what nonsense it is. Yeah. You have to see the truth of it. You have to see the truth. It has to be. This is a statement of who? Rope. Like that. Matsthani sarva bhutani. Entire Jagat is in me in the sense Asti Bhati Priyam, existence, knowledge and Ananda aspect. Jagat is what? Because of me, who? Paramatma, Brahma, only. But I am not in them, I am not dependent on them. In reality, Jagat is not in me. You understood? This is what does it mean? Jagat is false, Brahma only is Satya. Whose statement is this? Ishvara. Who is Ishvara? Lord Krishna. This Lord Krishna's statement. Same thing is told. It says, Vastu Tattvajnaha Ishvara. Ishvara. Who is Ishvara? Vastu Tattvajna. One who knows the truth of the Jagat, Vastu of anything, means the Jnani, one who is Jnani. Vastu Tattvajna Ishvara. Aham Teshu Nacha Avastitaha. Me, Teshu means where? Bhuteshu. I don't abide in Bhuta because I am independent of the Bhutas, the Jagat. Nacha mat bhutani mattani nacha. These bhutani, all beings, objects, don't abide in me because in reality me and me alone is the Jagat is not. See, for example, the mistaken snake really doesn't exist at all the 3 periods of time. It was not in the past, it was not in the present, it is not going to be in the future. But it is there according to who? Aviveki. Like that, from Ajna standpoint, Jagat is there. From Sudhnya standpoint, Jnani standpoint, Brahma standpoint, Jagat is not there. So that's what. So therefore, Ishvara himself has given this pramana to this effect that Jagat is false, Brahma alone is Satyam. Other yukti. You first tell me, what is meant by Jagat is Satyam? What do you mean by the statement Jagat is Satyam? Or okay, what do you mean by Satyam? Trikala abadhita vastu, a thing which exists at all periods of time without change, without destruction. Accepted? Agree or not? Huh? Does this apply to Jagat? Why not? Come on. Every day Jagat ends. How? If every day Jagat ends, what will happen to our bank balance? What will happen to our bank balance? In sleep, where is your Jagat? In dream, where is this Jagat? This multi-billionaire in the dream was begging. What happened to the bank balance? Not available. Temporarily it is. So therefore, if Jagat were Satyam, it should be faithfully available in these sleep states. So look, when you say Jagat, we mean individual Jagat. Don't talk of public Jagat. My Jagat, your Jagat. So your Jagat is there so long as you are awake. Again, if you dream or sleep, you are the maybe in dream you have got some other dream Jagat. But in sleep, no Jagat. Neither this Vyavaharika Jagat nor the Pratibhasika dream Jagat. Is it not? So that means what? So if Jagat were real, it should be available in this state also, which is not available, therefore Jagat is false.
यदि सत्यं भवेत् विश्वं सुषुप्तावुपलभ्यता यन्नोपलभ्यते किञ्चित् अतो तत्त्वज्ञमन्दृता। अन्वय यदि विश्वं सत्यं भवेत् तर्हि सुषुप्तौ उपलभ्यताम् यत् किञ्चित् न उपलभ्यते अतः स्वप्नवत् असत् Again, यदि विश्वं सत्यं भवेत् तर्हि सुषुप्तौ उपलभ्यताम् यत् किञ्चित् न उपलभ्यते अतः स्वप्नवत् असदृशा।
यदि विश्वं सत्यं भवेत् तर्हि, if Vishwa, Jagat were Satya. Now Satya means it should fulfill one definition. What is that? Vikala Abhajita. It should be indestructible in the past, present and future. Then only it can be Satyam. So that is Yadi in case Vishwam Satyam Bhave. If Jagat is true, it is Satyam, should all the time it should be available, and therefore because all the time means Sushuptau Upalabhyata, let it be experienced during the deep sleep. Is it experienced? No. Means Jagat ceases to exist. Again when you say, look, when you say Jagat, don't go with the mountains and buildings and rivers and ocean, etc. Your Jagat is what you perceive of the public creation. And how do you perceive? How do you experience? Through thought. Is it not? Through thought. In sleep, thoughts are there? No. The thoughts that report the world are not there. No Jagat is there. So that is, we wake up, again they come, Jagat is there. Means mind projects the Jagat. Jagat is projection of the mind. Therefore I say, Yadi Vishwam Satyam Bhavi Sushuptau Upalabhyata. In Sushupti, say Upalabhyata. Upalabhyata, let it be experienced, let it get it. Is it experienced? No, not it. Yasma, because of the reason, Kinchit na upalabhyate. Kinchit na upalabhyate. In sleep, even a little bit of Jagat is not experienced. Is it not so? It's a universal experience. In sleep, see, in sleep not only we don't experience Jagat, we don't experience ourselves. I am there is not known. I am there is not known at all. So therefore I say, there is Sushuptau Upalabhyata. Yasmat Kinchit na upalabhyate. It is not so. Therefore, Tataha is what? It is asat. It is false. So you can say, how can you say false? We are experiencing that. Yes. Do you experience dream or not? Yes. Do you take the dream as real? No. Swapnavat Mrisha. Swapnavat asat. And what do you mean by asat? Mrisha. Not like Shashabhishan. Not like a tuksha, like a rabbit fall. Never experienced. But this is like dream, experience, but not really. So that is Jagat Mithya can be verified based on reasoning also. So therefore, Jagat has no existence apart from Brahma is now finally being deduced.
Atasrutam nasti jagat paramana Sutak pratiti subhrusha guna divad Aropitasya kimartavata Adhishnanamabhati tatha brahmena Advaya Ataha Jagat Paramanaha Sutak na asti. तु पृथक् प्रतीतिः गुणादिवत् दृशा आरोपितस्य अर्थवत्ता अस्ति किम् अधिष्ठानं भ्रमेण तथा आभाति। Again, अतः जगत् परात्मनः पृथक् न अस्ति। तु पृथक् प्रतीतिः गुणादिवत् दृशा आरोपितस्य अर्थवत्ता अस्ति किम् अधिष्ठानं भ्रमेण तथा आभाति।
अतः means because Jagat is not available for experience during the deep state, therefore says Atmanaha Jagat Paramatmanaha Prithak na asti. Jagat is not distinct from Paramatma. Jagat is not distinct from means Jagat has no existence apart from Paramatma. So then we are experiencing. You can't deny the experience of Jagat or say it is like this. Two, whereas Prithak Pratiti, Pratiti means cognition, experience, knowing. So experience of Jagat distinct from Jagat, Brahma is what? Drishya, Gunahivat Drisha. Gunahivat, all the time Rajju Sarpa, Rajju Sarpa, Rajju Sarpa. Gunahivat means Rajju Sarpa. Guna means Rajju. Ahi means Sarpa, that's all. For meter sake it has been done that way. Guna, see, that's why Trigunatika binding. Gunas bind. A rope binds. So also Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna, Tamo Guna bind. So that is how Guna, Ahi means snake. So like Rajju Sarpa. Sometimes some change is required, no? Earlier some Bhujage, Rajju Dishan. All the time Rajju Sarpa, then Sarpa will get offended. Say, why not importance is given to me? So mistaking a snake for a more dangerous. At least here no damage will be there because this fellow wanted some rope to tie something and he could not. And actually there was a snake there. And he thought in the darkness it is a rope and caught him. Then before he realized this, he threw it away. Otherwise it will do garbad. So that is all. So that is the case. Say, Drisha, if, just a see, if snake is experienced separate from rope, is it true or false? False, Drisha. Like that. If Jagat is experienced distinct from Brahma, it is false, like Gunahivat, like the Ahi, Sarpa, seen in the place of Guna, the rope. Now say, okay, that is fine. But why you make so much of fuss? That means that Jagat also will be useful to us. Then if maybe by mistake you are seeing Jagat, but if it is useful, is it not something blessing in disguise? He asks a question. He says, Aropitasya arthavatta asti kim? Anything that is superimposed, has it got arthavatta means utility, prayojanam? Has anything that is superimposed got utility? Suppose this snake superimposed on the rope, is it useful to snake charmer? Or those who export the snake skin hide, is it useful to them? No, because it really is not there. So therefore, question is asked, whether anything that is false is superimposed, is it going to be useful? In the sense what? No, it is not useful. So likewise, therefore, prapancha then the prapancha is of no use. For us it is of use, no? You know why it is of use? Because we have taken false thing as real. First we have taken the body as real, then all reality will come. Just as in the dreamer is taken as real, dream world will be useful or not? In the dream world, when he is hungry, he has to eat dream food only. Which is full of all that. It is of no use. He has to eat which food? Dream food only. So likewise, but it is useful. Why? Because you have taken the dreamer and the dreamt world as real. Likewise, Jagat is going to be useful so long as we mistake it to be real, we mistake ourselves to be the embodiment. But when the Swarupa is known, when the person wakes up from the dream world is Vrusha, Prayojanavat, no Arthavata, no utility at all. So like that, so Aropita has no utility at all. Then how it appears to be separate? This Adhishtanam Bhramena Tatha Abhati. Adhishtanam means the basis. So Bhramena, erroneously, Tatha Abhati appears so. So means what? As real. Really it has no existence. By another Drishtanta illustration, Jagat has no separate existence apart from Brahma is being confirmed.
Brahmasya yad brahmata pratītam brahmaiva tattat rajatam vishuktihi idantaya brahma sadaiva rūpyate स्वारोपितं ब्रह्मणि नाममात्रम् अन्वय भ्रान्तस्य यत् यत् भ्रमतः प्रतीतं तत् तत् ब्रह्म एव हि शुक्तिः रजतम् तत्तत् ब्रह्म एव हि शुक्तिः रजतम् इदन्तया ब्रह्म एव सदा रूप्यते ब्रह्मणि आरोपितं तु नाममात्रम्. Again, भ्रान्तस्य यद् यद् भ्रमतः प्रतीतं तत्तद् ब्रह्म एव हि शुक्तिः रजतम् इदं तया ब्रह्म एव सदा रूप्यते ब्रह्मणि आरोपितं तु नाममात्रम्.
Bhrantasya, a person who is under delusion. So what is that? Yadyad bhramataha pratītam. Now here Bhranta is Ajnaha, Ajnani, who knows not the Atma Swarupa, who knows not the Brahma Swarupa. Yadyad, whatever, bhramataha pratītam, whatever that is experienced on account of error, delusion, not knowing the truth, that is nothing but what? Tat, all that is Brahma eva. It is nothing but tat, Brahma eva. It is nothing but Brahma. Why? Aropita has no existence apart from Adhishtan, for which another illustration is given. He, because Shuktihi Rajatam, or you can take Rajatam hi Shuktihi. And mistaken silver is nothing but what? Shell. The example, Shukti Rajata example. A shell, seashell, a glittering seashell mistaken as silver because of the cataract or such defects of the eye. So then, but that silver steel is nothing but shell only. It is a shell. Likewise, that is Shuktihi Rajatami Shuktihi. But you can change it that way. Rajatahi Rajatam Shuktihi. Mistakenly seen silver is nothing but Shuktihi. Shukti, that is shell only. So that means in the Jagat, whatever that you describe as idam, which you describe as idam, whatever that exists, is it not? Exists. Exists means isness, is there not? Whatever that has got isness is not that Brahma. Whatever any blessed thing, you say is, astitva, existence, is, that is what Brahma only. Idam taya Brahma eva sadarupyate. Brahma itself is described as what? Idam, this, which has got existence, which has got isness. See? Tu aropitam tu Brahmani nama matram. Aropita jagat is only nama matram. Name only means it is only a verbal expression. Really what is there is only Brahma only. So in this manner, Prapancha is Nitya, Brahma is Satya, and this Brahma is, and what type of Brahma? Free from Prapancha, means what Brahma it is? Nirupadhika Brahma is the Tatpada in Tattvamasi Mahavakya. So for that now, so that Tatpadartha, we hope you know the context. What is the context? First, Tvam Atma was unfolded, but that knowledge is not complete. That Atma itself is Brahma, and that is Tat Tvam Asi. But just as Nirupadhika Tvapada Jasati, Nirupadhika Tatpada has to be asserted. Otherwise, Tatpada Ishvara itself, its Upadhi cannot be Atma. Nirupadhika Brahma only can be Atma. So that Brahma is to be Nirupadhika, Jagat has to be Mithya. Jagat Mithya was proved, and therefore the Tatpada Nirupadhika is now summed up.
Param Brahma Tadadvitiyam Vishuddha Vijnana Dhanam Niranjanam Prashantamadhyanta Vihinam Apriyam Nirantaranandara Tattvarupam. Anvaya as it is. Ataha Param Brahma Tat Advitiyam Vishuddha Vijnana Dhanam Niranjanam Prashantam Adyanta Vihinam Apriyam Nirantaranandara Tattvarupam.
These four verses go together. In the four verses, 37, 38, 39, 40, Brahma Tatpada, which is Nirupadhika, is concluded. Ataha. Ataha means because Jagat has no separate existence apart from Brahma. Ataha is Param Brahma. So, Param Brahma. Param Brahma, Brahma which is Param. Param is Ekameva Advitiyam. Param Brahma. Sat Advitiyam. It is Sat, ever existence principle. And Brahma because it is the one which is the biggest one. Sat means Abadhyam, indestructible. Tat advitiyam. Advitiyam means vijatiya rahitam. There is nothing other than itself. Vishuddha vijnana ghanam. It is nothing but vijnana. What vijnana? Knowledge principle. What type of knowledge principle? Vishuddha. Vishuddha means nirvishaya. Its nature is knowledge principle which is totally free from Vishaya. Vishuddha Vijnana Ghanam. Vijnana Ghanam. Niranjanam Ajnana Sprashtam. Totally free from Ajnana. So totally free from Ajnana. Niranjanam Prashantam. Now you give me explanation. How Brahma is Prashanta? Prakarshena Shanta. How is it? What is opposed to Shantam? Ashanta. Ashanti comes on account of what? Desire. But desire, how desire cropped up? Mind Antakarna is there, is it not? Where Antakarna is there is going to be Ashanti. Now Brahma is Nirupadika, free from Antakarna, automatically what? Prashantam. 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 Adyanta Vihinam. It has no beginning, no end. It is ever existent principle. Akriyam, free from any activity. Why? Nirupadika. For activity, upadhi is required. Nirupadika. Akriyam, nirantara ananda rasaswarupa. Nirantara, always, ananda rasaswarupa. Ananda rasa means ananda ghana. There is no trace of sorrow at all. So ananda ghana swarupa. Continuing.
Nirastamaya kruta sarvavedam. Nityam sukham nishkaram aprameyam. Arupam avyaktam anakyam avyayam. Jyoti svayam kinchididam chakati. Anvaya as it is. Nirastamaya kruta sarva vedam. Nityam sukham nishkalam aprameyam arupam avyaktam anakyam avyayam jyoti swayam kinchit idam chakati.
We'll see next time.
Swasti prajabhya paripalayam nyayena margena mahim mahisha